Welcome third class in your English class, and today we shall study our second chapter of literature reader, and the name of this chapter is Bed in Summer. So first of all, read this poem as in winter I get up at night and dress by yellow candlelight. In summer quite the other way. I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed and see the birds still hopping on the tree, or hear the grown up people's feet still going past me in the street. And does it not seem hard to you when all the sky is clear and blue? And I should like so much to play to have to go to bed by day. And this poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. So, here in this poem, the poet expresses his sad feelings. He says that he doesn't like to get up early and sleep early too. And here he says again that he has no any kind of freedom of his own like the birds, trees and grown up people. And it is very hard to go to bed in summer because he wants to play and enjoy the beauty of nature. Okay? Now, I hope you understood the summary of this chapter. Now we will do the exercises and question answers of this chapter. Here are the question answers. There are two questions in which you have to tick the correct answer. Here are rhyming word and short answers. So first of all we will do our tick the correct answer. As first is, how old do you think is the child in the poem? So the right answer is 8 years. Second is, why was just the child dressed during winter? So the answer is yellow candle light. Okay. But before doing these questions, first we have a look on these rhyming words. And write 3 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. So the light, night, way, day, feet, street. Now have a look on the answer of these questions. As according to the first question, the answer is the child sees hopping of the birds when she oblique he goes to bed in summer. Second answer is the child hears the grown up people's feet when she oblique he goes to bed in summer. Third answer is the child finds it hard to go to bed in summer because she oblique he wants to play. Okay, so these are the question answers and rhyming words you have to note down in your English copy, and we will meet again with a new chapter. Till then you have to stay home, stay safe, note down it properly, learn it properly. We will meet again. Have a nice day and